Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with CSF for CentOS Firewall Management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with CSF for CentOS Firewall Management, you first need to access your CentOS server. Log into your server using SSH. Once logged in, ensure your system is updated by running the command yum update y. Next, install required dependencies by executing yum install perl lib www perl y. Now, download the CSF package using the command cd/usr/src followed by get https://download.configserver.com/csf.tgz . Extract the downloaded package with tar_xcf_csf.tgz. Change into the CSF directory using cd_csf. Before installation, run the configuration script with sh-install.sh. After the installation completes, you will find the CSF configuration files in the /etc/csf directory. Open the configuration file using nano/etc/csf/csf.conf. In the configuration file, locate the line for the testing variable and set it to 0 to disable test mode. Save the changes and exit the editor. Next, start the CSF service by running the command csfr. Ensure CSF starts automatically with system boot by running system-enable CSF. To allow CSF to manage the firewall rules, you'll also need to check its status using CSFV. Finally, review the CSF configuration and adjust settings as needed to suit your server requirements. Your CSF installation and registration for CentOS Firewall Management is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.